Yo, what's going on, Pyros? It's Pyro Michael 19 back again for another video. Today we're going to be demoing off Trumped Up. It's a 16 shot by Black Diamond and Pro Fireworks, as you see. And this is what the performance reads. You guys can pause the video and read that. It's a red, white, and blue cake. And that's what the tube layout looks like. Pretty decent size shots on there. But anyways, congratulations to Donald Trump in the election. He won. So anyways, let's demo off Trumped Up. 16 shot by Pro Fireworks and Black Diamond. Let's get on to the demo. All right, guys, here goes the demo of Trumped Up. 16 shot by Pro Fireworks. There we go. Trumped Up 16 shot by Pro Fireworks. Woo, let's go Trump, baby.